Hey friends, welcome back to Freedom Hill. Thought I would show you the progress made on the deck so far. Looks like a big old gopher has been eating our yard. I can tell you one thing, that gopher, he's Canadian. He's got almost all the holes for the footers dug. I think he has 9 of them done, or 10. And there are a dozen. These 2 by the sidewalk have yet to be done. And this one you're looking at here will be the hardest because he really has to break up the entire sidewalk. I mean, this section of the sidewalk. And so that is hard to do. He might be able to avoid breaking up a lot of the sidewalk there if he can get like under it a little bit. I mean, this sidewalk is all going to be covered up. This section of the sidewalk is going to be covered up anyway. It's hard to break up a sidewalk, so it'll make his work a little harder. But as you can see, he's made good progress. It finally stopped raining and cooled down enough to do this work. This one has water in it from the rain. Sorry about the shadows. I'm holding this strap and I keep getting it in the shadow. So I just thought I'd show you the progress at the Freedom Hill deck building site. Stay tuned. Here's our deck progress. And I say our deck progress, and that's a joke because it's my husband's deck progress. I am not out here digging these holes. My sons have helped. These holes are each 12 feet square and 30 inches deep. Literally more than half my height. So I'm trying not to get too close to them. Because if I fall in one of these holes, you can guarantee I won't be able to get out. But I just wanted to show you the progress. And today, he plans to pour the footers. I'm sorry for lack of updates, but it's been raining so much that his work has been inconsistent because he can't get out here when the holes fill with rain. But I think he's making great progress, and things should look better next time I show. But today is the pouring of the footers. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.